Alright guys, hi, thank you for joining me again, Stormy from Squids, the same mumbo jumbo that I always say. Alright, today we will be doing a Akibento unboxing. I don't know what the theme is, nor am I wearing the shirt from last month because I took it off my table back there and I don't know what shirt it is. Shut up and open the box. Alright, first thing that I see from the box is a water bottle that says Expo on it. Has a anime girl on it. Reminds me of like the workout cups that you would have for like, I don't know, sports practice in high school and stuff. The next thing is a Naruto golden figure. Looks like he's about to do the shadow clone jutsu. Multi-shadow clone jutsu. Uzumaki barrage. There was other ones that we could have got. It has Sasuke on the back, and I'm really glad I didn't get Sasuke. This month's theme is Expo, so I guess these are exclusives, maybe? I don't know, we'll see in the pamphlet. Here's the pin. HD. This is called a Ninja Scythe door open. It could double as a keychain, a bottle opener, a door handle opener, and buttons. So, you know, so I don't have to touch things. This is what it looks like. And this is what the little packet says. I can use it to unlock my phone. Nezuko-chan. That's pretty cool. Next thing is the shirt. It is black, so I will be getting dog hair all over it. Looks like you have people in cosplay. People from No Game No Life, My Hero Academia, Naruto, Cowboy Bebop, and all other cosplay. So the theme was Expo. I could have gotten one of No Game No Life items, which I didn't get at all. So I'm missing an item, Akibento, and I did not get one of these. And looks like I could have gotten one of 4 figures, which I'm glad I got Naruto because I'm not really interested in the other 3. But I will be messaging Akibento because I did not receive one of the items that I did pay for. The water bottle was an Akibento exclusive. The scythe was a Akibento exclusive. So I guess they might have done this because all the cons are canceled for this year to pick back up next year. Said Panda. If I was to rate this box out of a 10, I would say probably about a 4 or 5. Not very enthused about it. The shirt's okay, I guess. This is the only thing I like.
Yes. Oh my god, golden nerd.
No, it's mine! I got it out of the box myself. Here, it does this. Let me show you. Who's the star of the show? It's mine. It's mine. Shut you. Shut you. Oh. Why does everyone leave?